from elevated perspectives. In this short video, I'm going to show you where to find the camera settings on the Mini 5 Pro. I'll also show you the setup I use for bright sunny days. I have included a PDF guide in the description below for cloudy and golden hour settings, plus low light, night, and a section on long exposure. I usually fit a ND16 or ND32 filter on very bright days. Tap on the camera at the bottom right of the screen. It toggles between Auto and Pro. Although the DJI Auto works really well, you need Pro to achieve really professional-looking cinematic results. Once you're in the camera view, tap the settings panel here in the bottom right. This opens up all of your main camera controls. Here's what I use on a bright sunny day to get smooth, cinematic-looking footage. White balance fixed around 5200 to 5600 Kelvin. Don't leave it on auto. Resolution 4K. Frame rate 25 frames per second or 30, which is what I normally use. Normal color if you don't want to grade, or D-Log M if you do. I usually use D-Log M. And make sure the color display assist is on if you are using D-Log M. Tap the aperture icon at the bottom to change the ISO and shutter speed. ISO 100. Shutter at 1/50 for 25 frames per second or 1/62 for 30 frames per second. MM or manual metering is the camera's exposure meter. It shows how far your current manual exposure is from what the camera thinks is correct. MM 0.0 means correctly exposed according to the camera. You can't adjust MM directly. It changes when you adjust the shutter speed or the ISO. Aim for around -0.3 to 0.0, but don't obsess about perfect 0.0. Use your histogram plus zebras as your main exposure tools, especially in bright sunlight. If you haven't already, turn on your histogram and zebras. They really help you avoid blown out skies and other areas. Open settings, click camera, and scroll down to histogram and overexposure warning, and check that they are both turned on. If you want my recommended settings for cloudy weather, golden hour, low light, night flying, and long exposure photography, download the free PDF in the description. It's really simple and easy to follow,